the question is, would you save this EVO 8 MR? Well, it's just a casual Saturday morning and me and the boys are going to get some parts for the EG. Buyer actually owned an importing centre. We had a look around, found this clean but full of dust EVO 8 MR. One of my dream cars I hope I can own when I just work harder and just afford this. Anyways, I had a look around and my god, it's not in the best shape. And my god, they're asking way too much. JDM tax is a fucking fraud. The EVO 8 is sadly, we're not taking it home. But tell me this in the comments, would you guys save it? Would you guys spend 60 grand to save this EVO? Personally, me, if it was 60 grand, I wouldn't. I don't think it's even close to worth it. Because you can just get a stock EVO and you legit can just build it up. EVO 8 MR, I think it had less than 90 or 80, I can't remember. But anyways, that's a freaking steal. And you can see, you know, good old Omar in the car, you know, shifting gears, and you can see that, look at that little EVO 8 MR plate on there. I think that's freaking sick. Anyways, sadly, we're not going to take it home though. But, who knows, we may be back to get something else. Look at this. EVO 8. Well, it's not for sale though, not really for sale. No? No. It's dirty, bro, look. Bro, that's mad, bro. Dude. Make the car go psh, psh. That MR, that's fucking sick, bro. There's a 117. Hey man,
hey, honestly, this is the coolest part about the whole car. Look. Hey, shift again.
Fucking loud.
Fuck, what do I park?
Oh, Tristan's wax here? I want to see that shit, bro.
What the fuck? He's got a fuzz! Bro! He's got a fuzz. Oh, you guys are fucking rats, bro.
Really? Why'd you run? No!
It's funny! Bro, it's funny! It's funny! Yeah? Fucking Vinny, bro. Alright, hey, wait, let me join you. Ah! Look at that!
Oh no, what the fuck? No, that's gay as fuck! No, it's nutting!
Nah! Yuck, bro!
Wait, right? Ah, sit.
Oh, fuck, I'm heavier? The fuck? Hey, the fuck?
Raw footage.
Oh shit, oh shit, you're coming up like that, there's a ladder. Yeah, not that easy, huh?
What the hell, man?
Hey, you're skinny ass, bro.
You guys are fat, bro.
Really, how'd you get up this?
I'm built freaky, I'm telling you.
No, that's crazy.
Bro, what?
Go more to the right, though.
More right, more right. What's you walking like a fucking GTA character?
Straight out.
Buddy,
why is it walking?
stop walking, bro. Stop fucking waddling, bro. Walk.
It's the third leg, man. It's the third leg.
Okay, I'll just stand.
One sec. Damn, 1 sec. Damn.
Just go crazy. Don't move it close to the middle, maybe. Just. No. I meant the actual. What do I say? Just gonna buy full bike extra. The 650 or something. Full brand is it? Suzuki. You want me to shoot you? Because that's when you do it. Yeah. Get your big head ass from over it, bro. The beard is gonna be stuck in it. It's not professional, I swear to God. That shit is turning, bro. Try that campus now. All the dark sockets. Bro, that whole hand's done, bro. Stop doing that next to him, bro, please.
So, this goofy motherfucker made me go pick up his goofy ass camera from WSL's goofy ass house because his dumb ass forgot it in the car. Goofy ass motherfuckers.
I know what I'm doing. Be his gonna fall off into it, bro. What his? Be his. Oh. We're gonna get tested.
A big elevation.
If you guys made it this far, the EVO 8, sadly I cannot get because it's way too out of my budget range. It's gone for approximately, the guy wants 68 for it, 69 grand for it. My opinion, I don't think it's worth it. I think it's kind of a little bit of a rip-off there. I could probably get like just a better EVO and build it from there, or at least get more of a stock EVO and build how I want to build the EVO. Apart from that, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, and maybe if they bring it down to 40, maybe a little bit less, you know, into my budget range, I can at least try to attempt to save it. But right now, it's probably just going to sit at the site.